Mediterranean diet versus keto. In a world where diet trends are constantly evolving, two names consistently rise to the top: the Mediterranean diet and the ketogenic, keto, diet. These diets represent more than just eating patterns, they are lifestyles that claim to offer significant health benefits. But which one truly supports a healthier, more sustainable way of living? The Mediterranean diet has long been revered by nutritionists and health enthusiasts alike. Rooted in the traditional eating habits of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, this diet emphasizes whole foods, fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats like olive oil. It is not just a diet but a way of life, promoting balance, variety, and moderation. The Mediterranean diet is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which contribute to its well-documented benefits, including improved heart health, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and longevity. It's no wonder that many studies and experts endorse it as one of the healthiest diets in the world. On the other hand, the keto diet has surged in popularity, particularly among those looking for rapid weight loss and improved metabolic health. The keto diet focuses on a high-fat, moderate protein, and very low carbohydrate intake, forcing the body into a state of ketosis. In this state, the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, leading to quick weight loss. Supporters of the keto diet also claim benefits like enhanced mental clarity, reduced inflammation, and improved blood sugar levels. However, the keto diet's strict regimen can be challenging to maintain, and its long-term effects are still a topic of ongoing research and debate. When comparing these two dietary approaches, it's essential to consider your health goals and lifestyle. The Mediterranean diet offers a balanced approach, rich in nutrients that support overall health and can be maintained over a lifetime. It is flexible, culturally rich, and backed by decades of research showing its positive impact on cardiovascular health, diabetes management, and mental well-being. In contrast, the keto diet may be appealing if your primary goal is rapid weight loss or managing specific metabolic conditions, such as epilepsy or type 2 diabetes. However, the restrictive nature of the keto diet can lead to potential nutrient deficiencies and may not be sustainable for everyone in the long term. It is also less diverse in food choices, which might make it harder to stick with over time. Ultimately, the choice between the Mediterranean diet and the keto diet should be informed by your individual health needs, preferences, and lifestyle. Have you tried either of these diets? Which one aligns better with your health goals and lifestyle? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.